Cambridge Core supports Counter 5 and Counter 5.1 usage reporting to help you evaluate value and inform decisions. Under the Organization dashboard in My Account, open Usage Statistics. Choose your whole month date range and select a report type, such as TR or PR. The link at the top of the page explains what each report type includes. Submit your request. Reports are available to download for 24 hours. Counter-compliant data feeds institutional use cases like renewal analysis, budget allocation, and demonstration of impact for teaching and research. Reports are compatible with standard library harvesting workflows, streamlining your analytics pipeline.